Hey, guys, so we're on the delivery trail again. Now we're here to meet Mr. Jackson. Big boss, big up yourself. You have me wait about 20 minutes even though you say 15. but understand the Jamaican thing still. But 20, yeah, we know say 20 minutes actually mean about 40 in Jamaican time. But I appreciate it. I appreciate your effort in being here on time. Just like how I'm sure you appreciate us always delivering to you all the time, on time. No, I don't know if. Oh, wait, you hear that? Within budget. I don't know if Jermaine, I told you. Jermaine, your favorite. Jermaine, right. You know Jermaine personally all the while.
Here with the fucking again. Alright? No, as I tell you before. Right here, you're filling your inbox now. And after that, your neighbor, good neighbor you have there.
Oh, your neighbor and I look out for you while you were out. Yeah.
Them, I give it a friend or a family.
Invite them to the family.
Yeah.
And then to good service.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Brilliant.
How long you been in the area, though?
I've been here a little over a year now.
Oh, you're new?
Yeah.
Because I grew up over in Summer. I grew up in the area, so I'm very familiar with the area.
Yeah, I grew up here, but I left and now.
You know me, I tell you, say I knew him face.
Yes, sir.
For real, for real.
Around Central Park.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's on Willardale?
Ah, welcome.
yeah. But pleasure having you. Yeah, really pleasure having you. And thanks. Big up yourself. All right. Good.
I love that about it. I've switched from other shipping companies.
All right. You hear that? He switched from other shipping companies just because he wants to benefit from our shipping company. You're a platinum member as well.
Yes, man.
The man win. The man win. All right. Thanks much.
Yeah, man.
All right. Have a good one.